One smart decision today can save years of financial chaos.
Maya built a cash bucket system to manage her freelance money. But tonight, staring at her banking app, she realizes the buckets stop at cash. One deposit reads, Client Payments Logo Project. The next line down reads, Grocery Store. Same account, same list, no separation at all. So she built her own fix, a spreadsheet, color-coded by hand, sorting business from personal one transaction at a time at 11 at night. Weeks of receipts, invoices, and bank slips have piled into one drawer. What should be two separate financial lives has become a single tangled pile. Her accountant's invoice includes an extra line, $40, billed for the time it took to separate business transactions from personal ones. She opens her banking app to pay rent. Her thumb hovers over transfer. The balance includes money a client sent her only yesterday. A text from a fellow freelancer lights up her phone. Did you ever open a business account? Maya looks at it, then sets the phone face down. At midnight, she finally searches business bank account for freelancers. 11 browser tabs open. None of them agree on what actually matters. One article uses a phrase she hasn't heard before, commingling funds. Something about liability, something bigger than a messy spreadsheet. She sets the phone down. Her eyes return to the 3 envelopes on the desk. The cash system worked once. Now she needs the next version of it. Every February, Maya prints 3 months of statements and highlights each line by hand. Yellow for business, pink for personal, hoping she hasn't missed one. A client's retainer sits in her account. She spends part of it on new software before realizing the invoice for that work hasn't been paid yet. A client asks for her business details for their records. Maya scrambles through folders, realizing she's never separated her business identity from herself. Some nights, the worry isn't loud. It's just a quiet thought before sleep. What happens if someone ever looks closely at how her money moves? A business lunch receipt got tossed in with grocery slips weeks ago. By the time she finds the credit card statement, the paper proof is already gone. Her roommate glances at a shared utility statement and pauses. Why does your business client show up on our joint account alert? Maya doesn't have an answer. She tries a workaround, a savings sub-account inside her personal bank labeled business. It feels organized. Legally, it changes nothing at all. A notification buzzes. Her personal account exceeded its monthly transaction limit, again because client deposits keep pushing past what it was built for. At a co-working space, another freelancer pulls up a business account on her laptop. Separate cards, clean categories. Maya watches, saying nothing. That night, she looks up commingling funds properly. It means treating business and personal money as the same thing. Legally, that has consequences. Enough symptoms, enough workarounds. Tonight, Maya decides she's not patching the system again. She's going to understand what actually needs to change. She doesn't fully know it yet, but the fix isn't about finding the best bank. It's about understanding what a business account is actually protecting her from. Picture 2 glass jars. One is you, one is your business. A business bank account is what legally keeps water from ever crossing between them. By default, freelancers are sole proprietors. That means legally, there's no separation at all until you take a specific action to create one. An EIN is a free number from the IRS that identifies your business, separate from your Social Security number. It's the first real building block. Most banks ask for the same things: an EIN letter, a government ID, and sometimes a simple business license, depending on your state and structure. Mixing funds can weaken the legal separation between you and your business. In plain terms, your personal savings become easier to reach if something goes wrong. Every business account has a fee schedule. Monthly minimums, transaction caps, cash deposit limits. The details most people skip are the ones that matter most. Online-only banks often mean lower fees and faster digital tools. Traditional branches mean in-person deposits. The right choice depends on how she actually gets paid. The best accounts for freelancers connect directly to invoicing tools, so payments, categories, and tax estimates update automatically instead of by hand. Some business accounts offer built-in sub-accounts, one for taxes, one for savings, one for spending. It's her envelope system, just built into the bank itself. FDIC insurance protects deposits up to a set limit per bank. For most freelancers, that's more than enough, but it's still worth confirming before committing. Some accounts settle client payments in minutes, others take days. For freelancers juggling rent and software subscriptions, that gap can matter more than people expect. Without a branch to walk into, support quality matters more. A quick search for reviews on wait times and response speed reveals a lot before signing up. An account advertised as free checking still requires a minimum balance to avoid a monthly fee. The word free rarely means free without any conditions. Some business debit cards automatically tag purchases by category the moment they're used, quietly replacing the manual highlighter work from tax season. EIN, documents, fees, integrations, support, minimums. Maya finally has a real framework, not just a vague idea of get a business account someday. One more distinction matters. A business checking account handles daily transactions, while a linked savings sub-account holds money set aside for taxes. A friend swears by her bank. Maya signs up the same day, skipping the checklist entirely, trusting someone else's fit instead of checking her own. 3 weeks later, a $15 fee hits her new account. Her balance never reached the friend's minimum, a detail nobody mentioned over coffee. Instead of comparing options, she simply upgrades her current personal bank to its business tier. It feels convenient. It isn't necessarily right. Her new business account doesn't connect to her invoicing software. She's back to exporting CSV files and matching transactions by hand, just like before. She opened the business account weeks ago. It sits mostly empty. Old habit still routes client payments straight into her personal account instead. A client requests a partial refund. Without thinking, Maya sends it from her personal account again, the exact mistake she almost made months ago. One client still pays by paper check. Her sleek new online-only bank has no way to deposit it, no partner ATMs, no mobile check deposit at all. Days later, the check still sits on her desk, untouched, a reminder that convenience for one feature can create friction somewhere else entirely. Her new account also has a cash deposit cap. A busy month of client payments pushes right past it, triggering the same kind of fee as before. It's the third fee this year, from the third account. The problem was never which bank she picked. It was what she never checked before picking one. Every fix optimized one thing: a friend's opinion, a familiar app, a sleek design, while ignoring the rest of the checklist she'd already built. No more guessing, no more picking based on one feature. This time, Maya opens a blank comparison sheet and commits to checking everything at once. There's no single best business bank account. There's only the right fit for how she actually gets paid, how often, and what she needs to track. Step 1 costs nothing. Apply for an EIN directly on the IRS website. It takes minutes, and it's the identity her business will use from now on. Before choosing an account, she considers her structure. Stay a sole proprietor for now, or take the extra step toward forming an LLC. she counts last year's client payments month by month, marking a rough average. It's a small step most freelancers skip, and it changes which accounts qualify. Before signing up, she checks whether the account actually connects to her invoicing software, refusing to repeat the manual export mistake from before. She specifically checks for mobile check deposit, remembering the paper check that sat untouched on her desk for over a week. This time, she reads the entire fee schedule, not just the headline. Minimum balances, transaction caps, and cash deposit limits, all checked line by line. AIN letter, government ID, business license, if her state requires one. She lays them out together, ready, for the first time in one place. The application itself takes under 15 minutes. Business name EIN, estimated monthly deposits, and the documents she already has ready to upload. A short verification period follows, sometimes a call to confirm details. Maya keeps working on a client project while she waits it out. An email arrives, account approved. It's a small notification, but for Maya, it marks the first real structural change she's made all year. A new client payment arrives. This time, it goes straight into the business account. No highlighter required. No spreadsheet sorting after the fact. The 3 envelopes don't disappear. They're relabeled. One now just for cash tips. The rest of the system finally living inside the new account. What used to take hours of color coding now takes minutes. The integration does the sorting automatically, and Maya barely has to open the spreadsheet at all. 1 month in, her transaction history reads clearly on its own. Business income here, personal spending there, no manual sorting required anymore. The last small step, making sure her business name matches exactly across the account, her invoices, and her EIN paperwork. No inconsistencies left behind. This February, there are no highlighters. Maya prints one clean business statement in seconds, the separation already done months before it mattered. A client asks for her business details again. This time, Maya has them ready in seconds. No scrambling, no stalling, no forced smile required. Her invoices now list proper business payment details. It's a small line of text, but it signals something real. This is an actual business now. The desk that once buried receipts under confusion now holds only what's needed. A laptop, 1 folder, and a single envelope, kept out of habit, not necessity. It's evening again, much like the one that started all this. But this time, Maya isn't scrolling in confusion. She simply finished for the day. Nothing about her work changed. What changed was the line between her business and herself, drawn clearly once instead of guessed at every single month. If this walkthrough helped you see your own finances more clearly, like this video, share it with another freelancer, and subscribe for the next step in getting your business truly organized.